Welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be diving into stoichiometry by solving this problem. Okay? The question says, how many moles of iron 3 oxide are contained in 1 kg of the compound? Okay, first thing, which compound are we talking about? The compound is what? Iron 3 oxide. You know, we have iron 2 oxide, we have iron 3 oxide. Don't get confused. Let's start. Solution. So what is iron 3 oxide? This is the formula for iron 3 oxide. Fe what? Fe₂O₃. This is the formula for iron 3 oxide. Why iron 2 oxide is this? But we are not considering iron 2 oxide here. We are considering what? Iron 3 oxide. Okay? So we have to calculate moles. Then before we calculate the moles, what is the formula for moles itself? I will write out the parameters given. But what is the formula for mole? For calculating moles? You know, we say mole. Let me write it. Mole or moles, or let me just summarize it as what? Let me summarize it as N. Mole is equal to what? Mass over what? Over molar mass. Okay? So the mass is given, which is this, but the molar mass is not given. So we calculate the molar mass. But one thing about mole is that your mass must not be in here. The mass must not be in kilogram. It must be in gram. Yes, it must be in gram. Why calculating or why using formula like this? Whenever you're using formula like this, your mass must be in gram, not in kilogram. So first, the mass given, that is M, equals to what? 1 kg. So we have to convert the 1 kg to what? To G, that is gram. From kilogram to what? To gram. So converting 1 kilogram to gram, I will multiply by 1000. That is 1 times 1. That is 1 times 1000. That will give me what? 1000 gram. So I have successfully converted from kilogram to what? To gram. So we are done with mass. What about the molar mass? So to calculate the molar mass, I will need to bring out the compound here. I will need to write the compound here. Then we make use of the compound. Iron 3 oxide, Fe₂O₃ equals to what? So to calculate the molar mass, this will be iron. You know, we're given iron here to be 56, right? But this was single iron. But how many iron that is present here? 2, right? So this will be 56 times what? Times 2. 56 times 2 plus. Is it only iron that is present here? No, oxygen is also present. Now, this oxygen atom, you can see oxygen is 16 here, but how many oxygen that is there? We have 3 oxygen. Why this is for just only 1 oxygen? So to calculate for the 3 oxygen, I will do what? I will multiply the 16 here by what? By 3. So this will be 16 times 3. Okay? So I will multiply this and this together. So 56 times 2. What would that give me? Plus 16 times 3. That will be what? That will be 48. Okay? So this will give me what? 112 plus 48. What would that give me? That will give me what? 160. So what's the unit of molar mass? Unit of molar mass is what? Gram per mole. Gram per mole. Okay? Next thing is to substitute this parameters into the formula to calculate our what? Our mole. So therefore, mole equals to what? What is our mass? Our mass is 1000 over, what's our molar mass? 160. So this will give me what? This will give me 1000 divided by 160. So what would that give us? That will give us 6.25. 6.25. 6.25. What's the unit of mole? Moles. You know, it's more than one. It's more than one, so we call it what? Moles. Okay? So this is our final answer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. See you in my next video.